Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is another demonstration of chat.openai.com, really helping out with creating Google Sheet formulas. This is not a super complicated request, but I didn't want to do all of the work. So I know that there's a formula to do it. So I explained to chat.openai what I wanted. You can see it took a couple of iterations because I needed to find the right structure to describe what I wanted. And it finally delivered it. Let me go ahead and say it works. And I submit feedback. And now you can see I set it for E3. And now go ahead and copy that. Go over to my spreadsheet. And you can see it's right here. Enter. And you can see it's already picked up it's already stripped out the email and now has produced a web page for me. I drag that down and you can see all of my working email cells now have a web page connected to them as well. That's a huge plus, and a big nod to chat.openai.com. It's changing the way I work. Thanks for watching and happy computing.